In the 2014-2015 school year, Liberty Learning teamed up with Alabama Power to bring the Super Citizen program to 3rd and 5th grade students across Alabama. In more than 10 schools and about 37 classrooms, Alabama Power's generous donation impacted more than 925 students who have now learned crucial lessons in civics, character, financial literacy, career development, and our great American story. Liberty Learning delivered Super Citizen kits, trained teachers, and helped them maximize the program's effectiveness. But the powerful teaching tools were only one piece of the equation for success. Students were immersed in 3-step educational experience that rallied the entire community and begged to be repeated year after year.
This is not a box that we are checking to be involved in. We are very serious about this program because we see the results, and we know that making contact with these students at these young and impressionable ages is very important in creating a super citizen, but ultimately a sustainable workforce in the future. People that can take pride in what they do. And so anyone that's on the fence trying to consider whether or not to contribute, it's a very easy decision to make. This is not one of those hard ones. The money is going to be used by a top-notch organization that gets more than what we put into it.
They'll learn what being a great citizen is, and we need that so much. They're our future, and if they realize the importance of being a great citizen and setting a goal and working hard to attain it, and it will make such a great difference in communities all over the United States.
Kicking off the program in unforgettable rock star style, the Next Great Americans bus tour rolled into town and Libby Liberty took the stage, giving stirring theatrical performances that engaged students and left them excited to learn when the bus rolled away.
I hope the students come back and learn that as a citizen, they have privileges and responsibilities. And if they do what they're supposed to do, following the laws, following the rules that are set for our city, our county, and the government, then they can become productive citizens and contribute to our society so that our community, our country can be a better place for all of us to live.
For the next 10 weeks, teachers used original videos, music, workbooks, and online extension lessons to help students realize their important roles in our country's future. And instead of adding more work to already full schedules, educators are able to teach this quick injection method right alongside required subjects like language, arts, math, science, and technology.
So I love opportunities like this which bring the real world into the classroom for students so that they can learn beyond what they're doing in the school at the moment. And in this case, being responsible citizens in the community, having economic empowerment, having a practical applications for civic lessons and history. Those are the things that take what students learn off the pages of a book to really, really remembering. They will remember what they've done with Liberty for the past 10 weeks. They will remember that for the rest of their lives, and that is just so awesome. We need to do more of those kinds of things with students and bring the world to them so that they can see what it looks like. So it's exciting.
At the end of the program, we returned to schools to orchestrate graduation celebrations. Students were awarded graduation certificates, they recited the Super Citizen Pledge, and everyone in attendance celebrated their amazing achievements. And in the final piece of the program, the students themselves took the stage to honor everyday local heroes. It was an emotional experience for everyone involved, and it's a fitting conclusion to the Super Citizen program that teaches, among other important life lessons, that when you honor a hero, you become a hero.
I think they've learned to look at people who don't have what they have, or animals, and they want to give back to their community. And they're really starting to recognize the everyday people in their lives that are real, true heroes. Not just the football players and the movie stars, but the crossing guards, and the brother that's in the Marines, and the janitor at the school. The ordinary people that they are starting to look at and say, hey, that person's a hero. And I think that's really important.
This immersive experience continues to create an overwhelmingly successful model for teaching, inspiring, and empowering our next great Americans across the country. And the All Hands on Deck movement would not be possible without the help from Alabama Power.
I would most certainly like to say thank you.
Oh, I just want to say thank you very much. They're just such great corporate citizens of our city, and we're glad to have them here and glad to work with them. They've always been there anytime I call.
Thank you, and we do appreciate all that you are doing to help our boys and girls, because like you said, money is sort of scarce around in our school system.
You're not just giving one child the tools, but they're taking that home, and it's a ripple effect. And this organization, Liberty Learning organization, is top notch. We are in here for the long haul. We are glad to see what happens when these students get involved, and we will continue to be here. And we hope that more people will join us so that we can touch more students.